Amendment 1. It's December 15, 1791. James Madison's Bill of Rights. Work is finally done. Got religion, speech, and press. Yeah, they're in the lead. Assembly and petition. Ooh, that's everything you'll need. It's the foundation, the core, the principle, like to speak your own mind and to stand up for your rights. It's the people of the soul and the power of the word, ensuring that the voice of the people will be heard. Amendment 2. Now move to the second. Let's see where it goes. Oh, Waverly Group, where the history shows. It's the right of the people to keep their to guard the house and protect those lives. It's the right to stay loud and the right to defend. Oh, the Second Amendment. All the citizens depend. We're not done. Really? Amendment 3. Okay, look at the third. Keep the soldiers away. In the peace of your home, they have no right to stay. No quartering here. No more sleeping on the floors. Tell the government right now they can't enter your front doors. No more sleeping on the sofa. No more troops in the bed. Keep them out of the kitchen where my family is fed. Yeah, the Third Amendment keeps this sanctuary free, just the way the Bill of Rights intended to be.